All right, welcome back, and this is still the Gudu Morning Naija show. Now, so we don't tease you before, this is our social media segment. But then this one, they take a new turn. We do them in a different way because of, say, some time ago, about exactly 2 weeks ago, one gentleman, I don't know if you even talk about a gentle because of what you do. So this young man, he do one thing. We go make you say, shoo. So this guy, because of, say, he want protest, give the governor. So what did the governor they do with entertainment for inside River State? You know, pure, say, you know, soft. Say governor no, they put eye for entertainment for inside River State. He won't talk him. He can't decide to use picture talk him. The kind of picture where you can't use talk and I say, you know, wear clothes at all at all. Yes, you know, wear at all. Ladies and gentlemen, we get new money for inside the studio.
Good morning.
New money.
Good morning.
Thank God say you wear clothes.
Exactly. I was in a block talk this morning. When they tell me say new money, they come studio this morning. I say
New money because we wear clothes. We get children.
Put cutscenes.
No, I be want to remove them outside though, but
No.
I said I don't already reach. I wear and come, man, you wear them.
Yeah.
Next time when I do on leave, you and Jennifer.
Oh, I go prefer them. Go on leave.
No. See, for the sake of the children, they watch the show. No worry.
Okay.
But then I must say thank you. Say you make out time to come on the show this morning.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
All right. So we'll first of all just find out. Apart from the new money, we will see. We go naked.
Yeah.
Who'll be new money? Where you from?
Okay, Newman. My name is Newman Chinda. I'm from River State, Choba.
Choba.
Obiapo to be precise.
You want your Choba?
Yes, my social media handle go see I'm not that Choba boy. Yes, so I be comedian. I also be content producer, and I also make films too.
Okay.
How about education?
Yeah, exactly.
Education, yeah. I don't finish from Uniport 2013. I studied theater arts.
Now make you feel do that thing now. If you tell me say you go crap,
I be crab right now. I be thespian, strong one. So we always send our message, and when we send them, they send them in a unique way, so people must hear them.
Okay.
Now so.
All right. So you be entertainers, you don't talk already, and you also be content producer. How entertainment takes start for you? How the journey been take start? Of course, you do theater arts.
Yeah. Okay. The journey starts when I'm small. From small, then a family something. It did my blood. So at the point, I've been really no one practice. So my uncle Julius Agona just come tell me, say practice, so it go well. So from there, I said, okay, no problem. I began practice gradually because he don't tell me to practice then. From there, by the grace of God, we begin pick up. They do small events, begin anchor weddings, they collect small money. Then enter, they do music too, but I know they sing and they feature people. Yeah. So like that, entertainment just did.
Okay.
Just did.
All right, so you did almost every part of entertainment.
Every part of entertainment.
You be actor, you be comedian,
I be
and then you
director.
sing that way they feature people.
Yes.
Okay, now we could look at the main reason why we bring you come here. Now about the protest. I won't call them a peaceful protest. That be?
Very peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Nude protest.
Nude peaceful protest. All right, then you do this protest because you try to get the attention of the governor of River State. Now when I read the thing online, you say a lot of people wait there inside River State, especially artists. They give them the kind of platform they won't give them. But when they see the likes of Davido, Whiskey, when they come, in fact, even mention when one of them visits Governor Yusuf Wiki and the kind of presence where you give them.
Yeah.
How far will this protest don't take you, first of all? And why exactly you choose to go naked? My question is, why you go naked? Okay,
basically, I been need channel where I go feel you send that message so that them go know. Fine, social media feel help me, but if I wear my clothes, maybe a lot of people could just check them. See, I'm saying this one just there with governor, what do you want to do? So I just guys think of something creative to attract that, to get that attention from people and also the governor. So I had to, go nude.
Okay.
So far, so good. The thing don't get response. It dey bigger platforms, and I know say His Excellency don't see him. You understand? That is why I just do him, and I got talk out so that him too go know say from this corner, a lot of us they feel him, and we need something to happen for this sector. We get agricultural sector, government they put money there. Things they happen for other sectors. Entertainment now waiting we take the feed. It know they well for River State. So I don't see I'm as bad thing if we speak out. Say government even if say okay, make una get special advisor on entertainment and creative sector. Where me I offer myself to the governor, say if he do one. You understand? Even if he appoint somebody again. But as long as say the person they bring advice, where the governor they implement, we go, they better for me. I don't mind.
Okay. So we don't talk plenty. And of course, another person go argue to say other means the way for fit take past this message. But before you answer that question, for those who never see that picture, we forget to show you that picture.
18 plus.
We'll take a few moments of silence to see the picture.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So because we care so much about you, now make we cover some part of the picture.
Yes, yes.
You know what I mean?
It's not family TV.
Yeah, family TV.
Yes,
And Newman, a family man.
I'll be family man, I get mama, I get sisters.
Exactly.
So yeah, now why you choose the style of nude picture? If you write letter, if you make call, if you gather youths, why you choose this one?
Basically, other forms where you talk about now, write letter, gather youths, now conventional forms of protest where we already know. And even if I write letter,
I don't write letter first of all.
No be we, because
you don't do them.
Personally, now my stuff I dey try push out, like I dey try let people know. Say me personally as an entertainer, I dey paid. Before now, prior to this time, I don't drop proposals for Ministry of Culture and Tourism, same as Ministry of Youth Development and Empowerment. For creative content, if you help our entertainment sector. I don't even drop for Riwama, River State Waste Management Agency. Creative content to if you help us enlighten the people on how to bag their waste and also promote entertainment. But we know they get response, I no go lie. So I chose this way because I know say this way, if I don't do what I'm saying, maybe on for no call me, come here.
Well.
So I believe say the message I don't pass on. That's why I chose this means of going nude. So that even people where they go, wow, what be this? Who be this? As they see them now, they don't read the message. Yes. They don't get them.
Wow.
So now I had to go creative though.
All right, and hopefully this creativity go attract the attention of the governor. But you know, say people go down, come, they talk, say, he must go naked. Even when I even see the picture, I say, which kind of thing be this? Which kind of thing be this? When they come tell me, say, they come your show, I come mellow down. You understand?
Well, yeah.
So the thing now is, the governor, so far, he don't call you one-on-one, say, okay, CEO, I did ready to get a table conversation with you. New money, we go pay attention to the industry.
The governor never called me.
Okay.
He never called me. But I don't know. Even if the governor no call me, from my own perspective, but at least the governor don't know, say, this sector need help. So even if he begin implement something from that angle, at least once you don't go well, I go benefit from him. You know what I mean? But he never call me. But you know me say I no go like me call me. Oh. I put my number there. Okay. Me call me, I beg. Governor, just call me. I beg you.
Okay.
Right. So that I'll tell you my mind one-on-one.
So we'll go for phone line so that we'll take just 2 or 3 calls for this segment. So while the calls they come in, just call in to give your own contribution and then make your own comments. If you don't see the picture, if you don't read about them before now. Now, maybe second to the last question we'll ask you before we let you go.
Okay.
Now, say many people don't come outside and argue, say the problem with entertainment for River States, and the problem, say, even the youth, the young people know they organized. Now, young people, they run entertainment. Whiskey, they never reach 30.
Yeah.
Now, young people, they run entertainment. So one, I say, the young people know they organized. Some people, they also talk, say, even the state government, they support. So what will be your reaction to these 2 claims?
Young people know they organized. I doubt, though. They try.
We get the Association of Comedians.
We don't really get association way strong per se, but we as comedians, we dey united. We even get a WhatsApp group, a platform where they take reach out to ourselves. Like Angel They Laugh, they do Port Harcourt Comedy Club. That one a platform where they use gather entertainers together, where they do things together. Outside entertainers, even musicians, they try. The likes of Maxi, Surmount, all these ones now, Port Harcourt people don't put out stuff. So our head reach ground. The only problem we get be say we no get support. We no get platform to export our content from Port Harcourt to the world. Go Lagos, they do Giddy Fest and the rest of them.
Sorry, because if you say you don't get platform to export your content from Port Harcourt to the world, every other state one know na social media. Now social media, every other person they use. So why we no fit use that same social media?
We use social media, but we get whether I go call them media platforms, where they outside social media, where they actually expose you more to. Like when you go Lagos, you get Hip TV and the rest of them, entertainment channels. These ones now things where we know say government money they inside to use the exposed entertainment. So we need such things for River State. And the way we go fit happen now when government don't come inside, so okay, how we go take package this on our sector? Even if not through the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, then bring the thing what we need now, people will get ideas, we go drop them for table, make government look into them, support them. we push them out. And once government don't support the entertainment sector, we don't they try. You go see say individual investors go begin come inside too. But everybody they fear to put in money, where government have never even put money. You understand? So now just the thing we did there. But hopefully, man, all of us had reach ground. We are trying, we do things. Check out Port Harcourt. Entertainment they try for Port Harcourt. At least we will be entertainers. We try keep Port Harcourt going in our own little way. So we need more support. The government need to look into our sector. The entertainment sector, we need government to come through.
All right, I think we get a caller. Tony.
From Eliozu, yeah, Tony from Eliozu.
Tony, good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
I'm calling from Eliozu. I'm Golden.
All right, Golden, go ahead.
Yeah, indeed. The church, good morning, yeah.
They greet you.
Yeah, morning, bros.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, you bring another platform that is so different into the entertainment industry. Indeed, you are great. You are great. You have not seen such before into the comedy aspect. I believe with this, you will grow up your business more better. I encourage you more.
Okay, they encourage you. So
Thank you.
Don't show them another part. Now, this question I want to ask you, they're more personal.
Yeah.
They get something they talk, say, social media or internet, no, they forget, you know, they forgive.
Yeah.
10 years from now, how you go feel with this picture of you going naked, especially if you don't do anything as you don't protest. Before you go react, we get another Golden on the line.
Wow. Oh,
Golden too.
Now, Golden morning.
Golden, good morning.
Okay, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Welcome.
Yeah, I'm calling from almost here. My name is Gudu.
We did fine. Good morning. Go ahead.
I beg Newman, I try well, try. At least not everybody will speak their mind to do what they need to do. At least, put a mayor governor, at least hear your cry. At least for River State as a whole, entertainment, they neglect are well. Thank you. But wait, at least not the value entertainers for that of here, where they value Lagos artists. You understand? Maybe they do something for Port Harcourt here. Maybe they try to they bring our own people here. At least, maybe they come to us, I beg.
All right, thank you, Golden.
Thank you, Golden. Another caller.
Amadi from Eche, good morning. Hello, Amadi, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Welcome.
I think Amadi from Eche.
All right, go ahead.
Good morning, Mr. Newman.
Good morning, Amadi.
My senior colleague for theater.
Oh, bros, I greet you.
I greet you too. First of all, I want to give you kudos for that courage. The morale will take you too.
Thank you.
See, when I see you for Facebook, I see plenty people they criticize you. I laugh because they don't understand what we mean by vagina monologue. I will give you kudos.
Yes, sir.
We passed through a lot of things for that particular cause.
Yes, sir.
And now, instead of passing message quick, you see, we will graduate from that department with the suffer people they believe in a self-employment cause. So we can easily make ourselves easily. But finance is involved. It's not enough to have talent, but it's the money to start up. So I want to use this opportunity to beg Mr. Governor into the Mr. project, and we believe and so. The president for things being done too for River State, but make him try cuckoo put eye for entertainment, because entertainment is life.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If we don't bring entertainment to the public, many people don't die of depression. Many people die through depression. Maybe if they say that they do where entertainment they boom up, just because I'm not sure the rate of suicide where they go on for our outside area for strong the way it is now. New money, I give you kudos.
Thank you.
One-on-one, I will visit you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Amadi, for your contribution.
Thank you. So the question again, 10 years from now, when you want to look back, see this picture, you want to be proud, especially if it be said they don't pay attention to your protest?
Basically, they feel no pay attention, but 10 years from now, I'm not going to regret anything, because 10 years from now, me, self, I go done they made big time. Then 10 years from now, even if I see the picture, I'm always an entertainer. At least I did it for a positive cause. So that one, if 10 years from now, self, I still know they go nude. So,
Okay.
so maybe they just know.
Someone just expected this now.
Anything from new money.
Oh.
I go dey entertain on her as well as they pass my message because I won't pass message.
Okay.
So 10 years from now, I feel even go nude in another dimension.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Newman, for your time. And
Thank you.
We appreciate you can't join us
this
morning.
Thank you.